Hi, I'm Mike Domagala, and welcome to the second episode of M.D.M. Automotive. On today's episode, we're going to be reviewing the 2018 Lexus ES 350. See you later. Here we are, guys, inside of the ES350 with our automotive journalist Dondre and our other automotive journalist Matt. So, tell me more about this car.
The 2018 Lexus ES350 is Lexus's best-selling sedan and is marked above the IS but below the soon-to-be-gone GS and LS. The ES comes in many different trim levels, starting from premium to luxury and to the ultra-luxury, which is our tester today.
So Dondre, since this is a fairly new car and it comes with newer technology, what features does it have to offer?
Tech as standard comes with LED headlights, Lexus safety system which allows the car to brake in an emergency, lane keep assist, and a backup camera. Our tester has a power rear sunshade, a pano moonroof, blind spot monitoring, bi-LED headlights, illuminated door stills, heated wood and leather wrapped steering wheel, and heated and cooled seats, and so much more.
So this car has a fairly bigger engine in it, seeing that it's a 3.5 V6. So what's your fuel economy looking like?
The Lexus ES has a 3.5-liter V6 engine pumping out 268 horsepower with a 17-gallon fuel tank. Your miles per gallon should average out to be 21 city, 30 highway. That being said, we averaged 20 combined.
So Dondre, what different driving modes does this car have to offer?
So this car comes with 3 different modes. It comes with the Eco mode, which is supposed to save you the most amount of gas. To be honest with you, I recommend not putting in Eco mode. Steering wheel is electronic, so it does make the steering wheel very, very light, but then I feel like you lack power. Normal mode drives just like a normal car on the street, nothing special about that. But once you pop into sport mode, it stiffens up the suspension, stiffens up the steering wheel, as well as it sort of makes the rev stand for a long period of time. So when you put your foot down, it's a little bit of delay, and then you start going. Oh, I know where I am now.
So, Dondre, there's all these great features, but is there anything you'd want to change about this Lexus?
The 2019 redesign has taken all the complaints of being bland and outdated to slick and modern. New nav system, updated safety system, even an electronic e-brake. Everything you want in a modern luxury car as a young entrepreneur or new employee.
Alright,
Thanks for watching M.D.M. Automotive. I'm Dondre.
I'm Matt. And I'm Mike.
See you next time.